So we begin the entire tier model for academics by looking at the initial state assessments. And if you looked at these pictures, the graphs that we have up here for math, for example, we can see where there is tier below grade level, on grade level, and above grade level. So we look at all of the data that we have to determine how we're going to make a school improvement plan that addresses the needs of the school. And I have these graphs up, the data, so the teachers, as they walk by, are constantly reminded that we're working on reducing the below grade level, lifting the almost at grade level to above grade level. And then it leads to discussions in our school improvement plan committees. I personally think that a school is more successful if the teachers become the leaders, so that's what I try to do, to bring them into the front and lead this cause. And I tell them, well, you're in the classrooms, you know what you're going to need. So we have a school improvement plan, and that is a very strategical plan that includes past data, and then includes data that we want to reach. So we determine where do we want to go from here. And we have that in reading, in writing, in math, in science, and in equity and access. And every one of these areas then has a school team that is responsible for developing the action plan for that. And as a principal, you have to find the right people for the right leadership roles, and then you have to find the opportunity for them to meet. And then we have to find an opportunity for PD, for professional development in each of these areas. They regard it as something that's very natural and accepted. And but part of that is that in this school for 11 years we've had PBIS, understanding that we can help kids and behaviors.
Yeah.
And I really absolutely believe that if without a PBIS model in any school for behavior, the other things cannot be accomplished, because I think teachers fatigue when they have behavior issues.
Yeah.
And if they understand that those will be supported and that they're addressed, and when there's this sense of safety and calm and assurance that we're going to work with you and everybody's going to work on it together, I think they relax and can now then apply that same model to the academics and